Hi there, Casey Schwartz from Schwartz Legacy Planning. Today we are discussing solution number 7 of our series, What Women Need to Know About Estate Planning and Finances. And today's solution will conclude our series. So, solution number 7 is discussing the estate tax. So, what is an estate tax? An estate tax is a tax on the gross value of your estate less debts. So federally, we have an estate tax, and the exemption level right now is about $11.7 million per person. Now, spouses are in a special situation because they get to use that, they get to double that number, which is about $23 million jointly. And spouses also get the benefit of using their, the surviving spouse gets the benefit of using the dying spouse's unused portion of that exemption level. So if the dying spouse only used up a certain part of that estate tax exemption and there's some left over that's underneath that 11 million, the surviving spouse gets to use that when they die, and that's called portability, but there are steps that you have to take in order to preserve that. So it's important to talk to an attorney if and when your spouse dies to make sure that you are taking advantage of that. Now, some states have their own estate tax, and so here in South Carolina, we don't have one, but I do have friends and clients in the state of Maryland, where I'm from, and Maryland does have an estate tax. And the exemption amount there is about $5 million. And again, spouses can double that number and use their dying spouse's unused portion of that exemption. But the bottom line here is that estate tax exemption amounts are highly political. So like I said, right now it's about $11.7 million per person, but that is actually going to sunset in 2026, and President Biden has already said that he wants to lower that to about $3.5 million. That number in the past has been as low as $500,000. And if you have an insurance policy, it's very easy to get over that $500,000 level. So that is a number that you want to keep an eye on. It's highly political. And it's so important to have a relationship with an estate planning attorney because these numbers change, policies change, your life changes. And you need someone that you can reach out to and check in with to make sure that you are using the benefits of these exemption levels, that you are preserving as much of your estate for your beneficiaries as possible. And, if you don't have a relationship with your attorney, you have no one to reach out to who can counsel you around these issues. So here at Estate Schwartz Legacy Planning, we are very relationship based. We want to be able to support you and your family during your lifetime and make sure that your plan is always up to date with your lifestyle and the law. Now that we've covered all 7 of these solutions, ladies, if you need support around any of these issues, if you don't have a plan in place yet, please reach out. Let's have a conversation and get the ball rolling for you so that you can be empowered, protect your family, and live with that peace of mind of knowing that you did everything you could to protect your family. Take care.